Hello everyone, it's Chris with Disney Dynamicks, and we are finally back to the things we know. It's been a rough road lately. We've had some boxes that, sucked. So, let's take a look at what we're doing today. Oh yeah! Magic at your door. So, we got two of these. We received two of these today. And they're identical, same size. So I'm not sure which one this is. I'm just guessing. We get the gold subscription and the bronze subscription. So this one is, I don't know which one this is. We'll cover that in a minute when I figure it out. This is coming up right now. Alright, so let's crack into this because I need some good Disney in my life. I had kind of a rough day. It's all gonna get better now. Maybe, before I get a paper cut. Alright. Let the magic begin. Oh, I see a red box. My day's better already. I don't even care what it is. As long as it's in a red box, I'm good with that. Okay, let us start with the monthly newsletter. I will put a little boop right there so you can check it out. So this has the color codes on the side of it so that you can figure out the ones that don't have a price tag and do have a color code. You can figure out your total value of your box. And then it talks about their third birthday and how to earn money with their referral program. And all that happy stuff. And you can take a look at it, like I said. Alright. Let's start. Wow. Confetti's pretty. Happy birthday colors. Very nice. Alright. Oh, there's a lot of bubble wrap in here. Okay. So I'm thinking this is gold because I see the legendary gold pouch. So this should be the gold box, which means this is $124.99, including shipping. Free shipping. Take that, everybody else. I'm not angry at all. I'm fine. Okay. Oh, yes! I know what this is, and it was on my wish list. Wish list. Want to see it? The current wish list. Boop. Throw it right there so you can browse through it real quick while I get ready for this. I'm so excited. Mary's gonna love this. She's the one that wanted it. Oh boy. Alright, there you go. Let's see what this is. It's the Mickey Salt Shaker. This is so cool. So it's like the grinder. Is there salt in it? Or did I just break it? So, we recently got a Winnie the Pooh and Eeyore salt and pepper shaker, but Mary refuses to use them because she wants them to be display pieces. So, and we also recently got Haunted Mansion salt and pepper shakers, and we do use those, but they don't hold a whole lot, and these are just really cool. I think we'll actually leave those on top of the stove because they look all purty. Very cool. $19.95. Keeping track on value. Can't imagine what this might be. Paprika? Cinnamon? Pepper! Pepper, of course. Look at that! 1995. These are really heavy. They're really cool. I'm digging it! Fantastic. Alright. Snack socks. Don't eat the socks. There's snacks on the socks. These are $14.99 from the park. And I bet I will get to have... No, I won't. These will be Mary's. Very cute. And I think we're down to the gym shore. And this time, I'm going to remember this. Maybe. Alright, no peeking. Ready? What? Look at this totem pole of poo. That sounds kind of gross. Look at how cute that is. Mary is gonna freak out. Right? Yeah. This is super cute. Poo is Mary's favorite. And that one is really cute design. I love it. Wow. I'm gonna put that right. Boop. All right. Very nice. So nice to have a box with things we love. All right. I remembered. What is that? They're blind pins, but they are all Mickey shapes. This is $27.99. Look at all the different designs you could possibly get. I want to know what's in here. I need a scissor. Okay, just like that. All right. There's a bunch in here. First one. Donald. Very nice. I'll put a little boop so you can check it out. Next one. Pinocchio. Wow, there's 5 in here. The next one, Daisy?
Marie or Daisy? I think it might be Marie.
Does it say? No, it doesn't say. Okay, so Marie or Daisy? Can you tell me in the comments? Some of these, you know, like, they're a little bit vague, and if it's not a character that I super love, then... Oh, I know this one. Sorcerer Mickey! Look at that. Boop. And finally... Jack Skellington! And if I'm wrong, it's because my daughter told me the wrong thing. It's on you, Camille. Awesome. Very cute pins. They're all shaped like Mickey, which is wonderful. And Sorcerer Mickey is awesome. Yes. All right. My monthly pin. So, Magic at Your Door gives a free monthly pin. They're doing a series this year. This is the April edition, and it also celebrates their 3rd birthday. I think this is the best one yet. I really like the color combination. It's super sparkly. It's really hard to get a good picture of these. I will really try to get a good one in the photo box up close and boop, so you can check it out. They are such quality pins, and these don't count at all towards your value. So value-wise, We did really well. So this is $124.99. This is the gold box. Free shipping. And the total value is boop right here. Right? Not bad. All right. If you would like to get your own Magic at Your Door box and stop watching me do it, do one for you. Well, don't stop watching me do it. You can do yours in addition to it. Use our promo code DD10. So in the description below, you will find a link that will send you straight to their website, and you can enter that code DD10, and that will save you $10 off your first monthly subscription. So that's off of either the gold, $124.99, the silver, $99.99, or the bronze at $74.99. Not the Touch of Magic for $50. That one is not customizable, and you do not get the discount off of it. You can also use this code for one-time boxes. So Magic AF box, the one-time box, which is $199.99. So use the code because it helps you and it helps us, which is awesome. All right, if you'd like to take a look at last week's video, or last Wednesday's video, it was gifts from Mickey. And if you'd like to subscribe to the channel, the button's right here. Hope you are having a great day.